Today, let's learn how to log into your US Bank online banking. Welcome back, everyone, to this new guide video of TechTube. If you're also trying to log into your US Bank account, then make sure you follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll be successfully logged in. Now, either you can log in using the website of US Bank or from the mobile app. For this video, we're going to use the website, so search for usbank.com. Once you search for this on the search bar of your web browser, it's going to take you to the website. Now to log into your account, you can see a login button on the top right. You can click on it and this drop down login box will appear. Now make sure that online banking is selected. Other than online banking, you can also log in to different types of accounts if you are signed up for it. But for the online banking, select online banking and type in the username. If you want this device to remember your username, the next time you log in, you can check this box. And in the second box, type in the password. If you have forgotten the password or your username, you can click on the Get Login Help option, which is below the login button. And from there, you can follow simple steps to recover either your username or your password. Once you type in both of these information, click on Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking service of US Bank. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.